Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about 3D manipulation in 3D interaction techniques under ARVR in automobiles. 3D manipulation is at the core of how we interact with both physical and virtual environments. But what exactly does it mean in the context of VR? 3D manipulation allows user to control objects in virtual spaces. Think of it as using your hands to move, rotate, and resize objects, but in digital environment instead of actual physical environment. In AR and VR, manipulation task typically falls into three main categories. That is selection, positioning, and scaling. Selection refers to identifying or choosing an object from a virtual space. Positioning involves changing the location of an object in 3D environment, and scaling allows user to adjust its size, whether making it larger or smaller. Now let us come to why manipulation is important. By simplifying how we handle objects in virtual space, 3D manipulation directly impacts both the quality and speed of design process. Imagine a car designer moving a virtual engine, rotating and examining every integrate angle or zooming it to a specific components all within the immersive environment. This capability significantly enhances productivity, making the overall process more intuitive, flexible, and efficient for product design. Now let us discuss about specific 3D interaction techniques that are transforming automotive design. The basic of 3D manipulation, the most common tasks such as rotation, positioning, scaling, and selection. Selection is about acquiring or identifying an object or a subset of object in the virtual environment. Positioning is about changing objects 3D position from one location to other location. Rotation is about changing objects 3D orientation in different angles. And scaling is uniformly changing the size of the object. For an instance, when working on a dashboard of a new car, these 3D interaction technique allows designer or engineer to modify the layout, experiment with different control parameters and placements, and even simulate how drivers will interact with the vehicle interface, all within fully immersive environment. These tools are reshaping not just how cars are designed, but also how they are experienced while designing the car. This is all about 3D manipulation in 3D interaction technique. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel and please follow this playlist for more videos on AR VR in automobiles. Thank you for joining.